Fourth, southern giant petrel location, Southern Ocean near Antarctica. Why it's dangerous. Known as vultures of the sea, these large seabirds feed on carrion and even attack live prey, including penguins. Aggressive when feeding and have been seen pushing other birds away or even drowning them. Not dangerous to humans under normal conditions, but can be very aggressive in colonies. 5. Lammergeier, bearded vulture. Location, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Why it's dangerous. Unique diet, mostly bones. They drop bones from great heights onto rocks to break them. Legends tell of them dropping tortoises or bones that accidentally hit humans. Though not directly aggressive, their size and method of feeding can pose a rare but real danger. 6. Great horned owl. Location, North and South America. Why it's dangerous. These powerful nocturnal predators have a strong grip, up to 500 psi, and sharp talons. They hunt rabbits, skunks, and even other birds of prey, known to attack humans if their nests are disturbed, especially in urban areas.